Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today we'll be making some Guinness barbecue chicken wings. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ingredients really quickly. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, and all you have to do is click the link. My brown sugar is here. I have tomato sauce. I have whole grain Dijon mustard. This is the only mustard that I use. I only use Dijon mustard. However, if you prefer other mustards, go right ahead. I have my soy sauce, I have apple cider vinegar, and I have my Guinness extra stout. I got this from the liquor store. All liquor stores have them. I don't care where you live, the richest, the poorest. All liquor stores have the Guinness. Yeah. Alright, so to my little sauce pot here, I'm going to add my brown sugar down in there, my tomato sauce. This is a tiny can. This is just an 8-ounce can. If you have a bigger can, just cut it in half. You're going to add your apple cider vinegar. You need that tart in the back. Your Dijon mustard. Remember to always taste your sauce to make sure it's good enough for you. However, like I said, my measurements will be in my description box. I just eyeball because I make these sauces all the time, so I have a good eye for it. So then you're going to add your Guinness. This is how many is in here? An 11.2 ounce, and I'm using half. So about 5.5 ounces to 6 ounces of the Guinness stout. Did I get everybody? The vinegar, You're going to add your salt. Be careful with your salt. There is soy sauce down in here. Again, remember to taste as you go, as your sauce is simmering. You're going to add some pepper. And I'm going to simmer this for about 30 minutes on medium-low heat. But I'm going to start it on medium heat so it can start to simmer. And then I'm going to let it go for about 30 minutes on low heat. So everything can really come together. This thing. I wish you guys could smell this. It's not even simmering. I just wish you guys could smell this. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm going to let this simmer, and then now we're going to season up the chicken wings. Alright guys, so these wings are just going to be seasoned so easily. We're not going to kill this with seasoning because our barbecue sauce is pretty much strong. You don't want overkill. So you're going to add some smoked paprika down in here. Smooth paprika. Some cayenne because you want that heat to lift up the sweetness of the barbecue sauce. Some black pepper. And some salt. Cayenne is so slept on. People think it makes your food super hot. It only makes it super hot if you overdo it. It brings a lot of flavor to your dish. So mix this up, allow it to marinate while the sauce is bubbling. I'm not even going to put these wings in the oven until the sauce is completely done. And then we're going to cook it. Alright guys, so these are my wings. I'm going to pop them into a 375-degree oven until they're golden, or at least browned a little bit. And then we're going to start coating it with the barbecue sauce, which I'm about to show you guys right now. And it smells, looks, and tastes amazing. Yeah. Okay guys, look at this amazing, rich, dark barbecue sauce. I'm so happy it came out perfectly. So now what we're going to do to finish this up, we're going to melt down some butter in here. Excuse me, just to mellow it out and also give the barbecue sauce a nice sheen. And then we're just going to start coating the wings after about 30 minutes in the oven. Alright, so I have a couple tablespoons of butter down in here. Make sure you cut your stove off. And what you're going to do is you're just going to keep whisking until your butter just melts down in there nice and perfectly. It's just going to give your sauce a nice gloss and a little bit more flavor. I'm so happy with this barbecue sauce. It's so delicious and rich, which is why I didn't season my chicken wings so much, because it definitely would have been overkill. Perfection. Alright, so these are my wings after 30 minutes on 375. You're going to take your sauce. You could use a spoon, you could use a brush. Just get the sauce all over. Now this barbecue sauce, I'm going to baste these wings another time. These are going to go back in the oven for 10 minutes. I'm going to pull it out again and baste it again with the barbecue sauce. Pop it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, and then that'll be it. So basically you're just repeating the process like 2 or 3 times until you're out of barbecue sauce. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to fully coat these, pop them back in the oven, pop them back out, coat them again in 10 minutes. Alright guys, so these are what my wings look like. They came out amazing. I had extra barbecue sauce that, you know, residual from the bottom of the pan. All I did was just pour it over the wings so they could be extra glossy, extra sticky. And I just garnished it with some leaves, cilantro leaves. That's optional. And I have my Guinness back there. So I hope you guys enjoy this easy, simple Guinness barbecue sauce recipe. I hope you guys really give this barbecue sauce a try. It can go on any part of the chicken you prefer. I'm not sure if I would use this on pork. However, you know, pork can take anything. So if you give this a try, tag me, let me know what you think. Comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Please share my videos and share with your families. Always remember to check my description box for more info. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.